And yeah, so it's really simple to install. Just connect the power and then a couple settings, and you can just sync it with the phone now with the CarPlay stereo, so it works.
Stephen Curry, and you're listening to Warrior Sound, the voice of Dub Nation.
So it works with the just with the phone. Everything is good. Right now, it's just working with the built-in speakers. Just because this truck doesn't have um, jack like the usual stereo jacks. Doesn't come with it. It has a USB and actually have a sync console there, but I don't know how to open it. I have to figure out how to connect it with this, so probably get an adapter for the USB, and then it will work with the speakers. As simple as that. And then I'm gonna try to, like I say, I wanna just put it in here in this area, so it will looks more original than just hanging there with the cables. We actually works good like that. It wouldn't be a problem. But the thing is, I don't want to leave the stereo like that, especially in the street. It can be somebody can break in just to get us um, the, the player. So I want to leave it more like built in inside, so it will look normal. It will look like it's no add-on, like with the cables on, which is something that I want to do. And then later I will install the camera, which you will require to throw the cables from the back of the truck all the way here. A little bit more complicated than I thought. I was kind of checking the manual, and yeah, there's some step that I had to follow to make it work well with the sensors. I didn't know that it comes with sensors as well. And yeah, so should be in its installation, not that complicated. One of the reasons I bought it is because I didn't want to get so complicated. So hopefully it works in that way, and it won't take too long. I don't know, it should take a couple hours at the most, doing the installation with the backup camera and put it in the dashboard. So I've been trying to make some tests about how I'm gonna put it, and if you can see, I just tape it out just to measure. And actually I found even the brackets from the screen, the old screen will work. I may need to put some kind of like maybe like a piece of wood in the back, and then just screw them to make it more stable. At this moment I'm just trying to test it because I want to see if the hole will get in there. So it looks like it will once I put the right piece of wood. And after that I just need to put it back, and the screen should be okay. Should be kind of like floating on the top. And another things that I need to kind of like test is the dash itself, the buttons. I found like I may be able to switch some of these buttons and put them probably here, like kind of make it work in this way, because I want to be able to switch once the screen is on. It will be covered that, so the buttons I won't be able to use them. So kind of want to have the option that I can push at least 4 of these buttons in here. So it's gonna be switching between the CD, the radio, and the new screen. See how it works. Another thing is that I need to test. Obviously I have the camera ready. the backup camera that I got installed. And also I found, like, at least in this model, I don't have a jack connector there, so obviously in this one it comes with a jack, so I kind of need to like buy an adapter for that, and that would be like the input for getting sound to the speakers. And also I kind of gonna get this 12 volt, that's gonna be the main connection. I'm gonna plug it out and just take it out entirely, and I won't be able to use it. And because I have that's a second one here, so I think I can utilize that one to power the screen, and that way it should work. So I just want to show everybody where we are right now, and actually it doesn't take too long. It's just, for the first time I was trying to disassemble this dash. It took me a little bit while. I didn't have all the tools in place for doing it, and then it's just gonna be a matter to put the cables. The camera obviously gonna take a little bit longer, and the second part would be like adding those, putting the buttons in the other positions, see if it works. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna test it out, and then we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna make another part with the stereo in place, with the brackets, put it in place and see how it looks. So stay tuned.